How to report an issue in KFC app. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your device and then simply search for KFC here. Now select the link that relates to your country or region. I'm just gonna select this link right here. Now once you are here on the official website of KFC, just scroll down below till the end. Now you can see the option of feedback right here. Just tap on it. Now once you are here on this page, you have to start by entering your first name. Okay, enter your last name. Now let's enter my email address here. Okay, here we go. Now just enter your phone number. And then over here, select the type of the issue you are facing. So right now we are about to report the problem we are facing with the app. So just select the option of app. Now in the box below, you have to elaborate your problem about what issue you have been facing with the KFC app. And after you write your message, just tap on send so that you will be able to report your problem that you have been facing with the KFC's application. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.